going to show you how to factory reset your Google Pixel 6a. Okay, very simple. So first thing you got to do is log into the phone. After you log in, you want to go to settings. So we can swipe up the middle screen like that and look for your settings. We'll go to settings. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and scroll up all the way down until we see system. All right, let's tap on system. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and scroll all the way up. And the very bottom here says reset options. Okay, so we're going to tap on reset options. And then we see erase all data. Now when I click, now you want to click erase all data, so let me click on that and let me hide my email address. And you can see it says there, erase all data. This will erase all data from the phone's internal storage, including Google account, so on there. Now this is very important. You can see down here it says you are currently signed into the following account. So I have a Gmail account that I'm signed in that's synced to my email app, okay? Now the thing is, if I go ahead and tap down here, erase all data, and do the factory reset while I have this synced to my email address. Once you're done with the factory reset and you go back to set it up again, eventually it's going to ask you if, either what your password was to the phone or your Gmail account name or email address, as well as the password to continue the setup. So if you're going to be selling this phone, you need to go ahead and delete your Gmail first and then do the factory reset. Okay, I'm just doing a factory reset just for a clean slate for myself, so I'm fine with leaving that in there. And also you may want to read on the bottom here, it says erase downloaded SIMs. You can go ahead and read through that. I don't need to check that or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and erase all data. So I'm going to do the factory reset now. I'm going to tap on that. Let me enter my PIN password. I'm going to tap on OK right there. Erase all data. All of your personal information and downloaded apps will be deleted. You can't undo this action, okay? So if anything important on here, hopefully you have a backup and whatnot, okay? Anyway, down here, erase all data, so we're going to tap on that right there. Going to go ahead and let it restart and then let it do its factory reset. This whole process is going to take probably about 3, maybe 4 minutes. So just be patient here. And voila. We are in business. All right, pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck, guys.